Hello, children. Welcome back to our class. Children, did you do our worksheet about Together We Live? I hope you all had done. If you had not completed, don't neglect children. Complete as possible as early. Okay, children, we shall wind up our lesson with a beautiful story. Children, are you ready to listen a story? Okay, let's start. The story about the three little rabbits. The characters in our story. Narrator, Mother Rabbit, Rabbit 1, Rabbit 2, and Rabbit 3. Here, I am the narrator in our story. Okay, children, let's start our story. The Three Little Rabbits. Narrator. Once upon a time, there were three cute little rabbits. They spoke to their mother one day. Rabbit 1. Mummy, I am big now. I must go out and live by myself. Rabbit 2. I too shall go, ma. Rabbit 3. Amma, I'll also go. Mother Rabbit. Okay, but live together. First, build a beautiful house. Rabbit 1, 2, and 3 all said, Goodbye, Mummy. Mother Rabbit. Goodbye, little ones. Take care. Narrator. So, the three little rabbits went out. Each one decided to build a separate house. They did not want to live together. The first little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a bale of hay. Rabbit 1. Hello, uncle. Please give me that hay to build my house. Man 1. Here you are, little one. Rabbit. Thank you, uncle. Goodbye. Man 1. Goodbye. Then the first little rabbit built his house of hay. The second little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man carrying a bundle of sticks. Rabbit 2. Hello, Mama. Please give me those sticks to build my house. Man 2. Here you are, little one. Rabbit 2. Thank you, Mama. Goodbye. Man 2. Goodbye. Then the second little rabbit built his house of sticks. The third little rabbit had not gone far when he met a man with a load of bricks. Rabbit 3. Hello, Kaka. Please give me those bricks to build my house. Man 3. Here you are, little one. Rabbit 3. Thank you, Kaka. Goodbye. Man 3. Goodbye. One day, the first little rabbit heard a knock at the door. Tick tick, tick tick. It was the bad big fox. Fox. Little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 1. No, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Fox. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow down your house. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down, and the fast little rabbit ran to his brother's house. The big bad fox went to the second rabbit's house and knocked at the door. Tick tick, tick tick. Fox, little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 2, no, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I'll not let you in. Fox, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house out. So the fox huffed and he puffed and he blew the house out. And the first little rabbit and the second little rabbit ran to their brother's house. One day, the third little rabbit heard a knock at the door. Tick tick, tick tick. It was the big bad fox. Fox, little rabbit, let me come in. Rabbit 3, no, no, not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. I'll not let you in. Fox, then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. So the house huffed and he puffed and he huffed and he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. The three rabbits sat together. Rabbit 1, brothers, I think the fox has gone. Rabbit 2, no, no, look, he's coming down the chimney pipe. Rabbit 3, oh, I have got an idea. The three little rabbits together put the water tap on the fireplace under the chimney. The third little rabbit made a blazing fire in the fireplace. Rabbit 1, brothers, look, the fox is crawling down. Rabbit 2, I can see his body. Rabbit 3, oh, I can see his head. Just as the fox was coming down the chimney, the first little rabbit lifted the lid of the tub of boiling water. The fox fell into the tub and died, and the three little rabbits lived together happily ever after. How is the story, my dear children? I hope you enjoyed a lot. Children, this is a story about the three little rabbits, and you have this story in 5th class English textbook. Children, read the story carefully at your home, and I will be here with your beautiful stories. Keep watching, children. Until then, bye bye.